Namaskar friends, welcome to eSpirit World Channel. Pitra Dosh, in contrast to the misconception of it being the curse from forefathers, Pitra Dosh is actually a karmic debt of the ancestors. It is reflected in the horoscope in a form of malefic planetary combinations and is to be paid by the person having Pitra Dosh in his horoscope. To put it simply, Pitra Dosh is formed in a person's horoscope when his or her ancestors have committed some sin or mistake. So, in exchange for that, the native is held accountable to pay for the wrongdoings of their forefathers' past deeds by going through various punishments. Presence of Pitra Dosh in one's horoscope may bring about some inevitable and unexpected hardships in the native's life. It causes severe ups and downs in one's lifespan. The native tends to suffer from a lack of mental decisiveness and money. Signs to identify Pitra Dosh: children falling sick frequently, the couple having problems in conceiving the child, that is, problem in pregnant, frequent miscarriages, only a girl child being conceived recurrently, quarrels among family members without any valid reason, hindrances in the person's educational and career growth, hindrance in educational and career growth and success, lagging family growth and constantly facing problems. Physically or mentally handicapped person is more likely to have this affliction. Planetary positions responsible for Pitra Dosh. Native's chart reflects Pitra Dosha by certain planetary positions forming different types of Pitra Dosh. Planets or houses that signifies Pitra Dosh. Sun represents father or fatherly figures and ancestors. Moon represents mother and mind. Saturn represents debts, sin, and difficulties in life. Ninth house represents past life, forefathers, and second house represents family, heritage, and bloodline. Planetary combinations responsible for Pitra Dosh. A Kundali is considered to be affected by Pitra Dosh if, in the horoscope, the ninth house or its lord is either in conjunction with or is aspected by Rahu or Ketu. If Sun and or Jupiter is in the Kundali in conjunction or aspectation of Rahu or Ketu, it gives the effect of Pitra Dosh to some extent. Sun and Rahu or Sun and Saturn in the first, second, fourth, seventh, ninth, and 10th house of the birth chart. Rahu is in the ascendant and the lord of the ascendant is 6th, 8th, or 12th house. In that case also, Pitra Dosha forms in the horoscope. With the effect of the lord of the 6th, 8th, or 12th house aspecting or conjuncting with the planets forming that forms Pitra Dosh, the native might have to suffer from severe accidents, injuries, eyesight problems, and basically complications in life. Effects of Pitra Dosh. The native dealing with Pitra Dosh has to face several problems related to progeny. Besides, their children are likely to get affected by physical or mental illness. People suffering from this dosh tend to face plenty of issues regarding their marriage. Regardless of all their efforts, they are unable to get married at the right time because of Pitra Dosh. Oftentimes, the household is surrounded by diseases due to which the family face plenty of physical, emotional, and financial problems. Pitra Dosh creates an unfavorable environment in the household. The husband and wife may have disagreements and issues on insignificant matters. Natives often remain regularly under debt and despite all their efforts, they are unable to settle the debt. Due to the ill effects of Pitradosh itself, the family of the native lags in financial growth and are always surrounded by poverty and inadequacy. If a family is suffering from Pitradosh, any member of the family is likely to see snake in his or her dreams or the ancestor demanding food or clothes. The native might lose his reputation in the society, or the ill effects of Pitradosh could even go to an extent when the native has to serve a long sentence in prison. Increased Pitradosh in natives' kundli might bring unnatural death like suicides, accidents, murder, and or continuous loss of lives in a mysterious manner. Remedies of Pitradosh. The natives should feed the Brahmins, donate money and red clothes to them, and perform Pitru Tarpan on a Sunday of Sankranti or Amavasya. As a remedy for this dosh, the native should arrange for Pitradosh Nivaran Puja, which comprises Tripindi Shraddh and Pitr Visarjan. The natives should perform the rituals of Shraddh with utmost sincerity and faith to remember and pay respect to their forefathers. Natives should offer water to his Pitr for 15 days during the Shraddh or on the Tithi of their death. Apart from this, offering water to Banyan tree and Lord Shiva daily further minimizes the negative effects of Pitradosh in the Kundli. So friends, hope you like this information. Write in the comment box and do not forget to share. Then we'll meet in the next video with a new topic. Thank you and goodbye.